Hi love, welcome back to another video and thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we'll be looking at how to naturally treat cough and flu. So if you have cough and flu, or you know someone that is having cough this season, just send this video to the person. So what you are going to do is to get your lukewarm water. Then after getting your lukewarm water, what you are going to do next is to get your lime or your lemon. Then you're going to cut your lemon into two. Then after that, you're going to drop some drop into your lukewarm water. Then you shake it very well. After shaking it, you consume it. You are going to do this morning and night, or you can do it morning, afternoon and night. It will fade off. You'll be relieved. So guys, that's the end of today's video. So if you want to continue seeing tips on natural remedy, just hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video you will get notified. And lastly, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.